Hello, welcome back. This is Gabriel, and today we are going to be looking at how can we combine this and or and not together in a single statement. So we have discussed a lot already in the previous statement. So we're going to look at how can we do that. Let's say we want to select star from students where the student uh, name is John and the ID is 6. Let's take this one. And ID is 6 and or the ID is 6. Okay, so it can be 6 or 6. Let's see if we can run this. You notice that it's going to show everything that the name is John and the ID is 6. So we'll say if ID to be 8, what are you going to have? We are going to have that, but only John is still going to be displayed because either one statement must be correct. Okay, the all means that what either one of them must be correct. Now if we want to display also for the not, we have select star from students where not course is Java and not ID is 4. So if we run that, we're going to see that the ID, wherever the ID is 4, will not be displayed, and wherever the course is Java, is not going to be displayed. So that is basically how you can combine both the and, or, and not statements together to bring out some specific records in your database. Thank you very much for watching. See you on our next video. This is Gary once more from NgahTech Group. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and make comments below if you have any difficulties, or contact us directly. And we are going to work with you one-on-one 24 hours 7. Thank you and see you on our next video.